What's up, guys? How you doing? It's your boy Josh here today, coming live from the Oval Office. Big day, you know what I'm talking about. So, yeah, got the new setup at the house. Got the plaques in the background. Thanks to you guys. Thank you for all the love, all the comments, all the texts, all the Instagram likes, all that good stuff. So got a good video for you today. I've been wanting to make this for a while because a lot of you guys just hit me up all the time and ask me or tell me like you're having trouble with your business, or you can't get leads, or you need to figure out how to increase your business. And so I want to put this video for you together on the 5 mistakes that I would say probably 80-90% of the people do. Okay, so I'll put these together. I condensed them down to like the biggest mistakes that I see. Like over the years, you guys hit me up, hey, how do I grow my business? How do I, get more leads? How do I get more bookings? And then I asked these 5 things, right? Because these are like the 5 core things that you need to make sure to get done, okay? And one or more of these 5 things is guaranteed like not done, okay? So stay to the end of the video. I'm gonna give you my phone number so you can text me, okay? I'm chatting with people live. I got this new app that allows you to text directly with me, all right? It's gonna come through right there, and you guys are gonna be able to chat with me, and I'm gonna send out, tips, hacks, tricks, show you what I'm working on, how you can grow your business and stay motivated. Make sure you got the right mindset, because there's gonna be a lot of opportunity right now, okay? A lot of people are scared, all that stuff, okay? Election's about to be here, it's gonna be over, and then it's gonna be popping, okay? All the postponed events, all that stuff, there's gonna be a big demand, okay? Just to sit there and think like people are not gonna get married, there's not gonna be any events for the rest of your life. I mean, you don't wanna think like that. Just do the opposite of what people are thinking, okay? All right, so the first one, number one we're talking about is gonna be Google My Business, okay? So what is this? All right, so Google My Business is where you go to register your business on Google, okay? They have an app, okay? You guys on your phone all day scrolling Instagram, all that stuff, make sure to get the app, all right? Download the app right now, set up your business, set up your email, and then it's gonna ask you for your website. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it up and just kind of go through some of the stuff that I do. What is it? My Business, yeah. It's called My Business app. Okay, it has a little blue storefront right there. It got it'll have your stats and everything. Okay, now you can do it on your iPhone or for whatever phone you have, but go onto the desktop, and when you get on the desktop, you're gonna see much more options for settings and stuff like that. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, so when you pull it up, okay, first thing, update your business hours. Make sure to post pictures, images, get your reviews, respond to the reviews, okay? Respond to the reviews, okay? Make sure, set up your profile. You want to put all your social media in there, your phone number, your website, address, business address, if you have a business address, and just go through. On the app, it's pretty limited here. But one thing I do want to tell you, they have this this post section, which is like it's like Facebook page, okay? So you need to go in there and update that every day. All right, post pictures on there, put your keywords in there. All right, and if you want to look how we're doing it, go check out ours. Photo Booth International. Google that. Go there. Leave us a good review if you got some value from the video and stuff like that. Your boy trying to get his reviews up as well. So go check that out. You post photos, okay? If you're a customer of ours, we'll give you a ton of photos. There's photos all, in the member area and stuff like that. So you want to make sure to post, okay? Why this is so important? Because you want to make sure that that you're feeding Google new content, okay? That Google realizes that you're a new business, that, okay, you're a legitimate business because you have a listing, you're providing photos and stuff like that. That also feeds back in with your SEO, okay? You're not going to find someone that is a local company that is doing well that doesn't have Google My Business, okay? If people come to me and tell me all the time, Josh, I can't get business. I'm like, where are you listed? Oh, I don't have a website, I don't have Instagram, I don't have Google My Business set up. How are they going to find you? You know what I mean? So you got to get that set up, okay? It's real simple. All this stuff is free that I'm telling you. There's no money involved with all this. That's the best one. Actually, I take that back. The last one, there is money involved, but it's less than the amount that you spend on fast food every day, okay? I know how much you spend. I know how much you spend on Netflix. I know how much you spend getting your nails done, your hair done, getting your car washed, you know, all that kind of stuff. I know that. So you need to take some of that budget and then put it into your business. All right, so the next one is people don't form partnerships, okay? Partnerships are going to take you to the next level, okay? Why? Because you just need one partnership and they could actually provide you enough business for the rest of your business career, okay? And if you want to do it this part-time, okay? Now, what do I mean by partnerships? I'm talking about caterers, venues, photographers, wedding DJs, okay? Those are just the 4 that come to my mind right away. Event planners, wedding planners, and I can't think of any right now, okay? So that's 6 right there, all right? So you need to spend time every week calling these people, building a relationship. Josh, how do you build a relationship? Okay, add them on Facebook. Hey, how's it going? My name is so-and-so. I see you do this. Send them some cookies, send them donuts, send them pizza. Right, the other day a bank sent me some cookies. They've never done business with me at all. They just sent me some cookies to the office. You know, luckily I was there that day at the office, and you know, it had a little note and it said like, you know, so-and-so from Frost Bank, and I was like, oh man, this is cool. So I actually sent her an email. I said thank you, you know, for the cookies, and they're like, let's chat, let's see if we can do some business, okay? So right now we're setting up stuff. We're seeing how we can do business with her. So it's the same thing with you, okay? Call up these people. People have more time now than they ever had. All right, so they got time for you to set up a Zoom call. Say, hey, it's a networking call. I want to know more about you. I want to know more about your company. How can we work together? All right, just keep it simple. Don't have to sell all the time. Just get to know the person. Maybe you guys become friends. Okay, I made a lot of friends already just doing business. All right, maybe you don't do business. Maybe you get a friend out of it. Okay, you have to spend time though. You have to spend time. That's crucial. All right. So that's you don't form partnerships, okay? Now, a simple way to get this done, make 2 phone calls every day to local venues, photographers, caterers, planners, balloon artists, face painting, jump house, okay? You guys see that? Getting the wheel spinning right there. All right, 2 calls a day. At the end of the month, you would have made 60 calls, all right? And I'm sure 1 out of 60 is gonna work out for you, okay? And then by the end of the year, right, 1 year, you're going to have 12 partners, okay? And each of those 12 partners is going to give you, let's say, 5 events, all right? You do the math on that. Keep it simple, okay? The next one, don't make YouTube videos, all right? What am I doing right now? I'm making YouTube videos. I'm connecting with you. I'm showing you what I do, how I do it. I'm helping you do it, okay? It's the same thing for you guys. Make videos. Tell people, hey, how to have a good event. What's things to look out for when you're planning your event. What things you should look for when hiring a photo booth, okay? That would be a good title right there. How to hire a photo booth in Dallas, okay? I would do that. In Austin, in Atlanta, in New York City, in Los Angeles, all right? Be thinking, get creative, all right? Don't put your keywords in the title of YouTube. You can just get a camera, you got your phone, right? Everybody has a phone nowadays. Just hit record, okay? Keep it simple, all right? When I tell people to do this, this is what you're thinking right now. This is what you're thinking. You're thinking like, oh man, I gotta go get my friend with the DSLR. He's gotta have a ring light, and then we're gonna set that up, and I'm gonna call him, and we're gonna schedule it, and he's gonna come over, and we're gonna set everything up. That'll never work, okay? That has never worked. It's not gonna work on this level right here. You gotta keep things simple. Okay, so just hit record on your phone and start talking. Explain, show people what you do, show your equipment, show your backdrop, show your props, show the camera, show all the different features, right? Learn all the features of your booth. Some of you guys don't know how to do that. Take some time. It's going to take time to learn it, all right? It's not going to be easy, but you need to take time to learn it, all right? So the next one, you guys don't optimize your Facebook, all right? This is like number 1 right here. So the Facebook is the best, all right? So people reach out to me, hey Josh, I need help with marketing my business. First thing I do, I go look at their Facebook, all right? And the top, they got pictures of, you know, their vacation in Cancun, or pictures of their dogs and cats, you know, that kind of stuff. All right, that's not going to work for you. If you're a business owner, you have given up your personal stuff on Facebook. Okay, it's simple. All right, you have to use all these platforms for business. Okay, these are free platforms that you have, and you guys are wasting opportunity there. All right, the header off your Facebook, go to Canva, design one that says I rent photo booths in whatever city you're in. Click here to get a quote. All right, when people click on that, it's going to open up the image, and on the right side you can put a link off your website. Boom, right there. Okay, people need to know what you do. If they see your profiles like cats and dogs and pictures of the kids' soccer game and all that stuff, why would I do business with you? You don't even take your business serious to even post about it. So I would not even do business with you. Okay, this is the State of the Union now. People see that stuff. They know, like, hey, they know me. People know me. Like, they look at my Facebook profile. It's all business. All right, I'm promoting what I'm doing, what I'm involved in. Go take a look. You can add me on Facebook. All right, make sure to get that one done. That was a big one. Okay, and the last one here, the last main one here. Okay, this is the biggest one that's going to have the biggest impact, the fastest impact as well. Google Ads. All right, simple. Now, Google Ads, I just looked at it right now before I started filming this video. They're actually giving 3 months of support, 3 months of free support, free setup, and they're giving you $75 in ad credits. Okay, you need to understand, if somebody's searching for a photo booth, they go to Google. Okay, any problem you have, right? If you had a problem, where do you go? You go to Google. Okay, so when you tell me that you don't have business, and then I ask you whether you're on Google, and you say no, so how can you get business? All right, so you need to understand, people go there to solve a problem. They have a problem, they have an event, they have something, they need a photographer, they need a photo booth, you need a plumber, you need someone to mow the lawn, I need someone to paint the wall, I need someone to, you know, whatever. They go to Google. Okay, so you need to go on there, give Google a call. Let me see if I can pull up the number real quick. You can call them and get set up. Just Google Facebook, Google Facebook. Just Google Ads. Okay, the number's right here, 855-287-5177. Okay, just type in Google Ads and it'll come up. All right, so they help you create your account, create your first campaign, and get ongoing support for 3 months. All right, there's nothing more you can ask for. It's all free, right? Everything's free. This is free right here. Now the only thing you're going to pay for is you're going to pay for your ads. Okay, now the ad costs are really cheap right now. Okay, so you need to budget your money and see if you can spend $100-$200 a month on ads. When you call them, let them know that, okay, so that they'll be able to set up your campaigns the way you need to. All right, they're available 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so that should be real good for you. All right, so Google Ads is the last one. Ask them for the credit. You can look for ad coupon. If you go on Google, just type in Google Ads coupon. Sometimes it's a little bit more than the $75, but yeah, that's good. All right, so just get those 5 things set up, and let's see if I got anything else for you. Get those 5 things set up, and you'll be able to be successful. Now, I was going to tell you, you guys can text me. Okay, let me pull up my number here. So if you guys want to get free access to, I'm going to give you 200 keywords to use whenever you set up your Facebook ads. Okay, I want you to text me. So my number is 972-284-0506. There'll probably be a link in the bottom of the video. 972-284-0506. Okay, so shoot me a text and ask for the keywords, and I'm going to give you the list of the 200 hottest keywords, the keywords that I've used. Okay, I've made $1 million renting photo booths. This is my plaque back here, right? And another $1 million selling photo booths. And I did it with Google Ads, okay? Primarily Google Ads. But you need to have the keywords, right? To tell Google, okay, when to show my ad. If somebody's typing plumber, you don't want your ad showing up, right? Because you need to tell Google what keywords. Now I'm gonna give you the list of those keywords. Shoot me a text. Leave a comment below if you like that. Thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, talk to you guys later. Stay strong. it's almost over. Elections are here today, so you know it's gonna be smooth sailing after that, and the cure's coming out, all that good stuff. But just gotta hold off, okay? This kind of hit the reset button for a lot of people. So maybe you had some big competition in the past. Maybe they got out the game now, and there's gonna be a lot of opportunity, okay? A whole year of events got skipped, okay? How many events happen in a year? All right, think about that. How many, you go to weddings, you go to parties, blah, 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 all that stuff. All that year is gonna get skipped over to the next year. And there's gonna be a big demand of it, okay? So you gotta hold on strong and make sure to get this stuff set up so you're ready to capture it. That's gonna be it, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.